Maya, you told me you wanted to talk about improving your English fluency.
Yes, Ms. Jones. I understand the grammar and vocabulary okay, but I get stuck sometimes when I actually have to speak.
That's a common hurdle, Maya. The key to fluency is practice, but there are ways to make that practice more effective.
Really? How?
Well, for starters, try surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. Do you watch movies or TV shows?
Yeah, all the time. But they're usually in Hindi.
Why not try switching to English subtitles? You'll get used to hearing the language spoken naturally.
That's a good idea. I wouldn't have thought of that.
Exactly. You can also find podcasts or audiobooks in English on almost any topic. Listen while you're commuting or doing chores.
Podcasts sound interesting. What about music?
Music can definitely help with pronunciation, especially if you sing along. Just be sure to pick songs with clear lyrics.
I can do that.
Now, speaking of practice, don't be afraid to talk in English whenever you get the chance. Is there an English club at school?
We have a language exchange program, but I'm too shy to join.
Everyone feels shy at first, Maya. But the more you talk, the more comfortable you'll become.
Maybe I can start with just talking to myself in English, like practicing for a conversation.
That's a great way to build confidence. You can also try finding a language partner online to chat with.
Online. That might be less scary.
Remember, fluency isn't about perfection, Maya. It's about getting your message across comfortably. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
You're right, Ms. Jones. I feel a little more motivated now.
That's the spirit. Remember, I'm always here to help you practice if you need someone to talk to.
Thanks, Ms. Jones. I really appreciate it.